Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. Welcome aboard this brand new 320 Boston Whaler Vantage. This is such a cool boat. This forward seating area is awesome, very comfortable. There is a big cushion that does go in the middle to fill in, gives that whole front area a sun lounger. Very comfortable, very good for the family, especially at the sandbar and whatnot. The helm in this boat is configured really nice. Mercury joystick setup, big Ray Marine GPS fish finder. Stereo system is a great sound with fusion. Has a VHF, has active trim. Boat does also have radar, really well set up. They have a nice head compartment at this. It's separate from the small cabin. You got plenty of room in there. The cabin in this boat also has quite a bit of room. It's a little bit difficult to see in the video. This boat is set up with a full enclosure. The enclosure is not installed at the moment, but it is there. It has an electric sunshade that will roll out at the moment it's rolled up. The aft seat in this boat is absolutely huge. And at the moment it's in the sitting position, as you can see. It folds up very easily. Gets out of your way, gives you tons of room in the cockpit. Boston Whaler's design with this second row of seating is very unique as well. Right now it's in the up position. However, with a flip of a latch, you can lower it down. It makes into a sun lounger. Very comfortable, very unique. The first row seating on the passenger side is electric up and down, has flip-up bolster so you can stand or sit in it, and it also turns. So it can turn around 180 degrees to face the other seat when you're using the tables. The captain's chair, again, electric up and down for height, has the bolster so you can stand or sit when you're driving it, and again, very comfortable. Now I'll tell you, the one thing about this boat, it's really impressive, is offshore. I've had this boat in some big water offshore and it rides as good or better than most people's center consoles. With these twin 300 Mercury 4-strokes, phenomenal power for phenomenal fuel efficiency. You got to get out and ride on this boat and see what it does. For more information, please give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.